Hello, this is the second affirmative rebuttal for cooling the caldera, so let's get started. First off, just as review, the supervolcano in Yellowstone is bound to erupt. Maybe not today or in the next few decades, but it is going to do so due to scientific proof. So voting for this affirmative would be voting for a solution for the saving of humankind, while also providing an efficient and environmentally friendly energy source. Now, one of my opponent's main arguments is that drilling into the supervolcano is risky. However, scientists and engineers know what they're doing. They've been studying Yellowstone for quite some time and have developed this brilliant idea based off scientific evidence proving it is reliable. Geothermal energy is being used all over the world, whether that be in Iceland, San Francisco, or Italy. For example, according to the Calpine Corporation, geothermal energy is highly successful in the Mayacamas Mountains, located north of San Francisco, where naturally occurring steam field reservoirs below the Earth's surface are being harnessed by naturally occurring steam field reservoirs below the Earth's surface to make clean, green, renewable energy source for homes and businesses across Northern California. The geysers, comprising 45 square miles along the Sonoma and Lake County border, are the largest complex of geothermal power plants in the world. And the people in southwest Iceland have been using it for heating their greenhouses. And the first experiments to use geothermal energy for house heating were made in the middle of the 18th century, and for many years, Icelanders have used it to heat their houses. The steam from the hot water is used to heat up groundwater, which all dissolved oxygen and other gases have been removed from. If anything, cooling the caldera will essentially create more jobs because this is a long-term project, one that will give scientists and engineers a career for hundreds of years to come, a career that requires strategy, careful preparation, and an energy source for the surrounding area of great environmental benefit. It is such a good source for the environment, and it is safe because of inventions like the Stratford process, a process which takes a somewhat toxic gas and inserts it back into the reservoir safely, thus causing no harm and no chance for acid rain. And while this is a somewhat long process, we will be able to develop a new technology to take the geothermal energy that is being provided to the local area in Yellowstone and transport that energy throughout the whole country or perhaps the whole world. We have that time now to develop that technology due to this process. The solution is a solution for the savior of mankind, while at the same time providing the most sustainable, reliable, and environmentally energy source we can get. All those benefits coming from cooling the caldera. All those benefits. Do it for human civilization, do it for the future generations, and do it for the earth. Thank you.